Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can filter YouTube searches by date. So in order to do this, what you need to do is first of all head over to YouTube, and now you can literally type in whatever you want into the search bar. So right here we have some searches, so let's say we type in, just something like test. For the fun, just type in test. And now let's say that we want to only get results from the last 7 days. Now what I can simply do is filter on that by going to the right corner of my screen. It may look a little bit different over on your screen because I have some extensions. However, it should say filter somewhere around the right corner of your screen. So just click on filters, and then right here it will say upload date, and you can change it to either the last hour, today, this week, this month, or this year. So what you can do is, for example, click on today, and these are all the YouTube posts basically from today, including test. And yeah, that's basically how you can filter YouTube searches by date. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.